morning. My name is Kathapan Chaiduan. This is ABC Student News. Today I feel happy to present you. Teacher step at school in Paris. Thorough police investigating anti-terrorism author or details are looking into the incident and the assailant is Headland last Paris Prosecutor Office spokeswoman Agnes Thibault-Hectin says. Police have confirmed to ABC News that the teacher was attacked with a sharp object such as a box cutter or scissors, resulting in a slight presenting injuries. No children were in the school at the time. The accident has Frank remains under a state of emergency after November 20, attacked by extremist tank linked to the Islamic State group that killed 130 people. Thank you very much for listening. See you again next time. Goodbye.